This is the CEIA metal detector, the MS-21. It's a 20 by 8, and we've kind of run some initially tests, and we've set both products up underneath the same setting, so someone's not having to come change things back and forth, and we want to show you some of the results. This particular product here is light color crunch blend, and I think initially what we want to show you is what happens on the detector from the signal when just the bag runs through. We want to be aware of that. And was there any signal? So there, what we're interested in is making sure that that bar graph display, this gives us a visual of how much signal we're seeing and the strength of the signal. That's the detection point, and we can see that when we passed that first bag, it didn't actually give us any signal, which is exactly what you want. Now, if we run that bag again, now we're going to go ahead and put a 1.2 millimeter ferrous sample on the bag, and now you watch that display. Can you catch that, Jake? Put it in the middle there, and you can see that detection level, 2.8 decibels, and we got a good strong detection level, which in this case, the output stops the belt. So now what we're going to do is we're going to take that, let's do that same bag, and let's run a 1.5 millimeter stainless steel. Now, so 1.2 millimeters ferrous, here's a 1.5 millimeter stainless steel. Again, putting it in the middle of the bag. Watching that detection, 4.3 decibels, a little bit stronger signal, and a good visual there. So we're really confident that the product, that particular bag, has no product signal, nothing conductive, so it's really stable, and you're able to detect 1.2 and 1.5 millimeters respectively there in ferrous and stainless. So what we're going to do also now is this next bag is a bag Granola all natural, non-GMO. We're going to go ahead and run this bag now on the exact same settings. And let's watch the display and let's just see what signal we get from just the bag. You can see that bag passes through and it gives no signal at all. So we filtered that out. Now let's go ahead and run, again, the same test samples, 1.2 ferrous. And a big product signal. So again, easy detection. And we'll run that again. Now we're going to run it with that 1.5 millimeter stainless steel. Big, huge signal. So the short of this is now the product has some level of conductivity. In the auto learn, we learned both the different signals from one bag to the other. We were able to run them on the same setting, so operators aren't having to come change every time you change a flavor or whatever it may be. And that and when at those settings, either bag gave no signal at all. So we had nothing anywhere near the threshold. We have a lot of room for variation or variability from bag to bag before we really start to see anything here. And at those settings, we were easily able to detect 1.2 millimeters ferrous and 1.5 millimeters stainless steel.